In today's video, I'm going to teach you about external IDs in Salesforce and how to mark a field as an external ID. Understanding the role of external IDs can greatly enhance how you manage and synchronize your data between Salesforce and other external systems like ERPs or third-party applications. To start off, let's dive into what an external ID really is. In Salesforce, an external ID is essentially a custom or standard field that holds unique identifiers from outside systems. Think of it as a bridge, connecting your Salesforce records with corresponding records elsewhere. This is incredibly useful for ensuring efficient data exchange and synchronization, making your data management more seamless and effective. Now let's talk about how you can mark a field as an external ID in Salesforce. First, navigate to the gear icon on your Salesforce interface. Click on it and select Advanced Setup. This will lead you to the main setup area where you can configure various aspects of Salesforce. Once you are in the Advanced Setup, look for the Quick Find box. This is a handy tool that allows you to quickly navigate to Salesforce features. Type in Object Manager and select it from the list. This will bring you to a page where you can manage different objects within your Salesforce org, such as accounts, contacts, or any custom objects you might be using. Choose the specific object you want to work with. Once selected, focus your attention on the left panel and find Fields and Relationships. This is where you'll manage the different fields associated with your object. To create a new field or modify an existing one, click New or simply edit an existing custom field if that's what you prefer. It's important to note that not every field type can be designated as an external ID. Only text, number, and email fields are eligible, so make sure you're working with one of these types. After choosing the appropriate field type, click Next to proceed. During the configuration stage, you'll see an option labeled External ID. Check this box to mark the field accordingly. You may also want to check the Unique box, which prevents duplicate values from being entered, maintaining data integrity. Next, consider setting field level security to determine who within your organization can view or edit this field. Additionally, you'll want to add this field to the appropriate page layouts, ensuring that it appears wherever users need to access it. Once you're satisfied with all these configurations, go ahead and click Save. This commits your changes and updates the field as an external ID officially. And there you have it, a straightforward way to leverage external IDs in Salesforce to facilitate better data management and synchronization. Remember, setting up external IDs can dramatically simplify the integration of Salesforce with your other systems, providing a cleaner, more connected data environment.